We just got done installing this 62-inch smart ceiling fan on our outdoor patio. I'm going to go over how it works, the unboxing, and the full installation process in this video. I love that you can connect it to your phone with either the Amazon Alexa app or the SmartLife app. Here's a look at the SmartLife app. You can fully control the phone through here. You can adjust between all 6 speeds, change the fan rotation direction, change between modes, adjust the brightness and the warmth of the light, and even set schedules for it to turn on and off at specific times. You have the remote as well that can do all of that too. The timer settings are here in the middle and the brightness is at the bottom. Everything comes packaged really well, protected and organized. Here's a look at all the fan components laid out prior to assembly. You will get multiple length down rods. You have a 6-inch, 12-inch, and a connector is also provided so you can combine the rods to make it 18 inches. The fan blades are meant to be installed with the smooth side facing down and the side with the groove upward. They are aluminum alloy, so they're thick, corrosion resistant, and waterproof, so they offer much better durability than common wooden blades. So it's perfect for outdoors like we're doing. You of course always want to start by cutting the power to the area where you're going to be working. The first step is going to be putting the mounting bracket into place and then screwing it in. Next, you'll be putting together the downward assembly. You'll remove the R pin and cross pin from the down rod and then pass the canopy and coupling cover through the down rod with the canopy at the top and the coupling cover at the bottom. Then you'll go ahead and feed the cords from the motor through the down rod and make sure that the holes of the down rod are aligned with the holes of the motor and insert the cross pins first and then turn the R pin across the hole to fix the down rod. The coupling cover fits into the mounting bracket and it holds it into place so that you can screw everything in without needing a second person to hold anything up for you. After that, you can move on to your electrical connections. The instructions provide a very clear diagram of how to do this. We twisted the corresponding wires together and then added the wiring caps to the end. Once the wiring is connected, you'll just move the canopy upward to cover the mounting bracket and then just screw it into place. After that, you're ready to install your fan blade. This part is pretty simple, just screwing those into place. After that, you're ready to move on to the light. The screws for it are already screwed into place, so you'll go ahead and remove those and then connect the power cord receiver to the light and place those screws back into place. And then just place the acrylic cover, and that is the last step. I wanted to add a clip of the fan at nighttime so you could get a good idea of the different levels of brightness and temperature settings. Daylight really didn't do it any justice. We spend a lot of time on our patio, and this lights up our patio so well, and the fan is so awesome for keeping the bugs away at night. This was sent to me by the brand so that I could provide this review, so a huge thank you to them for such an awesome product.